I bought this Kärcher spray extractor recently during this riot sale. I wanted to carry this box myself. Now, so this box is first about unboxing this device, and then I'll show you what it's capable of. Now, this Kärcher Puzzi 8/1C model is capable to clean up any soft fabric surface in small area. You may want to get the Puzzi 10-liter unit that comes with a longer handle to clean the floor. Remember to also read the user manual and also the technical specification. This user manual to tell you how to do the maintenance and what are the do and don'ts so that you won't spoil the device. You may want to also register your product over their website so that you get the 1-year warranty. Okay, so it's important to read the user manual. It's only 4 pages. So this is how it looks like. I will first need to get 8 liters of water, this marking, and I will stop. Then it's good to buy from local store because the plug is going to be the same. And then plug in the 2 holes. And then there's a 1 hole here. Make sure the hole here corresponds to the hole inside here. I mean, yeah. I hope you can see it here. Just push it in and then you tighten it. Now there are 2 types of detergent. So during this riot sales, I got it free. This is a RM760. There are only 16 tablets to use for really stubborn stain. Okay. Now I'm going to first use this liquid detergent RM519 model. It says what you need to maximum water is 50 degrees Celsius, and then if it's dirty, you just leave it for 5 minutes. The main purpose is actually to use water to wet the surface of fabric, and then it will dissolve all the oil or grease that stick onto the fabric. Then I will use a vacuum to remove the water and the greasy dirt from the fabric. Then add in the detergent. I'm supposed to add in the water and mix it here to here. Then close the cover. There are 2 buttons here.
To spray, I press this button. And remember to off before you.
Yeah. First, I will spray the detergent.
I'm going to
then
activate.
I'll turn on the vacuum. So this is what I'm capable. This is how the device is capable of. So first, the water and detergent first wet the surface. You may rub it so that it actually dissolves any grease and dirt on the surface. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then you start the vacuum. Straight away remove the water and the dirt. I've also wet the surface for the sofa. It's actually fabric surface. Now the power for this Puzzi 8 model is not so strong compared to the Puzzi 10. So I need to press it against the fabric so that it's more effectively remove all the dirt that is being dissolved deep down onto the fabric surface. So I need to press it and then to extract it. A closer look how it looks like. It's really dirty. It's been 3 years already. This is how the condition of water. I can also use it to clean my kitchen, to my dining chair. I read it earlier. Also, the soft toy that I have, I can put it in a dryer, but I decided to do it here now since I have enough water to use. Good job.
Closer to this level now. The water acts as a coolant to cool the pump.
Then I need to switch it off. Then this is what I'm capable of for roughly 6 liters of water. Then I need to remove the hose and extract the water from the reservoir. Wait for a while. Then open up power. Oh wow, so dirty. So I think it's really effective. The liquid detergent. Pour it. Clean the bucket, and then I'll try out this one. There are 16 of them. I will use it. The this RM760. So I need 2 of this. Yeah, dissolve the plastic, the film. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes.
2 tablets per 8 liters of clean water.
Then spray it onto the car seat. This has been 10 years I didn't wash it, so the first time washing it. Then after 5 minutes later, I'll just vacuum it. You can see it's really dirty, especially the gap in between the fabric. Then also the carpet, the floor carpet in the car, first wet it, dissolve whatever dirt it is. Actually, I spilled milk tea on this area not long ago. So yeah, I can clean it now. I don't have a brush, so I use a glove, my glove and my palm to wipe it. And then I remove it, I extract it using the vacuum feature. Always do remember to switch off the spray, then you turn on the vacuum. And you switch off the vacuum and spray it again. So this is actually the car seat mat followed by the floor mat. So this device is really useful. Actually, I'm very satisfied that Kärcher came out. I'm very satisfied with Kärcher because they actually invented this product, because it actually helps me to clean all the fabric product at home. Otherwise, how am I going to clean my sofa? I can't even put it in my washing machine or even a dryer. How can I put my sofa into a washing machine unless I change the sofa once every 5 years? Otherwise, this is a very good device, right? Then, yeah, the floor mat, spray it, wait for a while, brush it, clean it, remove the dirt by vacuuming it. Activate the vacuum, and immediately you can see it's like new. So easy. You can have a few run after all the water being removed. You can just pour away the dirty water. There's some dirt residue down there. Here you go. Just need to clean this bottle and extract the water from the reservoir, and leave this device to dry. First time watching the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your thumbs up, and do press the bell button 2 times so that you get notified a new video. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.